Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the car and engaging the AC system immediately so components cycle and cool efficiently. Once the engine is running, press the /C button and set temperature around 22-24 degrees C. This balances comfort and compressor load. Make sure you begin with fresh air mode rather than recirculate for the first 2 to 3 minutes so moisture and warm cabin air vent out. Doing this primes the evaporator and prevents musty smells, and it gives you a consistent baseline before fine adjustments. Once the evaporator is cooling, you adjust airflow and vent direction to control how fast the cabin reaches set temperature. Start with blower at medium-high to pull heat out, then lower it to medium for steady comfort. This reduces noise and fuel draw. Aim the dashboard vents at your torso for immediate cooling, switching some flow to foot vents after a few minutes to balance cabin circulation. Make sure you listen for compressor cycling. Steady, quiet cycling means the system is working as intended. To finish the session, you should switch off the /C and run the fan for a minute or two to dry the evaporator. This prevents odor and mold. Make routine maintenance a habit. Change the cabin filter about every 12 months or 15,000 km and inspect refrigerant levels if cooling feels weak. If cooling remains poor, troubleshoot by checking for refrigerant leaks, compressor clutch engagement, or a clogged cabin filter. These are the most common faults and the fastest to verify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.